Hey, I'd love to show you this beautiful door set I just got. It is a beautiful black matte color. So what it comes with is a beautiful handle, very nice and elegant. It comes with a lock and a deadbolt, and it comes with a classic interior knob that goes on the inside, and the hardware to install it. It comes with screws and anchors. It is a key entry, so it does come with 3 keys. It is waterproof, weatherproof, high temperatures, low temperatures. It is made with high quality metal. It also comes with easy instructions on how to install it. It also comes with a template to put on the door if you need to drill holes. It does go for most standard doors. So I will install it step by step and show you how easy it is to put in. Thanks for watching.